Welcome to the Little Star channel.
Hi! We meet again. In this video, we will draw a daisy. Before that, we will write the word daisy. Daisy. D A I S Y. Daisy. Good. Now we will draw the daisy. We will first create a circle to draw the crown of daisies. Then create a U shape for the petals. And so on all the way around the crown of daisies. I love daisies because of their beautiful shape. Do you like daisies too? Surely you like it too, right? Because daisies are very beautiful. Next we draw the leaves. Daisies come from China. Then we draw the stalk. After that, let's color it. Because this paper is white and the daisy petals are white, so you don't have to color it again. We continue to color the crown of the aster flower in yellow. Yellow. Next, we color the stems and leaves of the daisy with green. Green. I love daisies because of their beautiful shape. It's finished. It's easy, right? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.